Welcome to Sridevi Services Digital Marketing. Here you will see in the mobile one sheet is there. Canva in below a sheet is there. No, you click the sheet. Sheets you click. Here are so many sheets are there. So you can search here also. PPT one sheet is there. PPT two one also there. So PPT go to PPT two. In the PPT2 list, he will see many numbers, names are there. PPT name, address, and occupation, source, mobile number, alternate mobile number, last call date, call summary, status, follow up date are there. That means PPT means a particular code for a particular person, and the second one is name, his name and address. The occupation means what he is doing. Source means where from you got this name and number. Source. Then his mobile number. Alternative mobile number. If second number is there, you can add this number also. After that, you will call him. You will call him. What he is telling, that is called summary, and you write type here status. What he told as per the conversation between you and him. So status, if he is interested for our product, then it will be warm. You will write warm, otherwise cool. You have to type here cool or warm or hot. Hot means immediately who purchase our product is hot. Suppose he will ask some time, so that follow-up date will record that in the follow-up date. Understood? So in this way, all numbers for this one sheet or data we will give you. So suppose this is the data. In this data, so many names, numbers are there. We have to select the what we want. What we want. Suppose here name Pragya Priyadarsani uh, Garnayak name. So this is roll number not necessary, gender also not necessary, mobile number necessary. So we record this mobile number in our sheet. Email also now not necessary. So what he is doing, occupation, TGT arts, teacher. We should write teacher, TGT teacher. After that, category not necessary, choice locked. These are not necessary. Where from his address, Ongul. So in the address bar, we record the Ongul. Okay, in this way, you will transfer this data to our sheets. Okay, thank you. And for every for every data, you have to enter. Suppose, suppose you entered these names, so we have to select this and change the background color. Change the color also. You have to change color. uh, Above, in the above, the text A is there, no? You click on the A. So here Arial it is okay. It is minus and plus are there, no? It is 12 is there. 13, 14, this is increase our text also. So decrease our text also. 12 you keep 12. 14 also you can keep. And again bold for bold, and for color text we should not change the text color. We fill the color. And second option fill the color is there. So we will fill. What we fill? Suppose we will keep blue color. Okay, in blue we do not need the dark blue, light blue also. Okay, it is so in this way. How many rows you enter today? So you keep the light blue color in the not text color, in the background color. Okay. Okay, thank you.